This is the Special Forces Pocket Artillery, a drone that fits into a backpack yet carries the punch of an anti-tank missile, capable of incinerating a modern tank 40 kilometers away from the operator. The Switchblade 600 is a heavy loitering munition designed as a tank killer for units operating independently from main forces. Unlike lighter versions meant for anti-personnel use, the 600 is a dedicated armor hunter. Its uniqueness lies in its mortar-style launch. The drone is fired from a tube, unfolds its wings in mid-air, and transforms from an inert projectile into a high-precision aircraft. It bridges the gap between ATGMs, anti-tank guided missiles, and attack aviation, giving infantry the ability to destroy targets far beyond the horizon. Lethality, the airborne javelin. The drone's primary asset is an intelligent guidance system that allows the operator to change their mind and abort an attack at the last second if civilians or decoys appear in the frame. Warhead. The drone carries an adapted javelin missile warhead designed to first pierce explosive reactive armor, ERA, and then incinerate the tank's main hull. Tandem charge. It utilizes a tandem charge high-explosive anti-tank. Heat warhead. The first charge detonates the target's reactive armor, while the second, main charge, directs a jet of molten copper into the vehicle. This makes the drone fatal for any main battle tank, MBT, when striking the roof or side. Essentially, it is a guided missile that can circle and wait for the perfect moment to strike. Portability and stealth. To deliver this heavy payload, the drone was designed in the shape of a folding pencil case. Compact system. The entire complex weighs about 54 kilograms, allowing a two-person team to covertly move into position, launch from the tube, and exfiltrate before being detected. Tube launch. Launch is achieved via compressed gas from a transport launch container, TLC. The drone exits the tube with folded surfaces that instantly spring open. This eliminates the need for catapults or runways, allowing for launches from pickup beds, building windows, or deep foxholes. Silent approach. Once airborne, a powerful electric motor takes over. Unlike roaring gasoline-powered kamikaze drones, the Switchblade 600 is no louder than a common household fan upon approach. This low acoustic and thermal signature makes it nearly invisible to infrared sensors, granting the operator the element of surprise. Intelligence and precision. The silence is merely a cover for powerful optics, scanning the terrain for prey. Sensor suite. The drone features a high-sensitivity sensor block with a high-resolution color camera and an IR infrared sensor, enabling target acquisition in total darkness or through smoke screens. Reconnaissance. The nose camera is stabilized on two axes with a powerful zoom. The operator sees a real-time feed on a ruggedized tablet, allowing for recon by fire. The drone can orbit a suspicious grove, confirm the presence of hardware, and only then commit to the strike. Autonomy and the wave-off feature. Once a target is identified, the automatic tracking algorithm takes over. Lock-on, the operator simply boxes the tank on the screen, and the drone maintains its aim independently, even if the vehicle maneuvers at high speed. This minimizes human error during the critical terminal dive. Wave-off function. The Switchblade is the only drone in its class that allows the operator to abort a dive just meters from the target. If civilians appear, or the target is revealed to be an inflatable decoy, the operator hits the abort button, the drone sharply breaks its dive, gains altitude, and returns to loitering mode to search for another target, saving a costly munition. Range and secure communication. The hunting time is limited by battery capacity, allowing for 40 minutes of active search. Deep strike. With a dash speed of 185 km per hour, the drone can cover a 40-kilometer zone, allowing it to strike enemy artillery in deep rear positions. DDL standards. The communication channel uses the military-grade digital data link, DDL, with AES 256 encryption. This prevents the enemy from intercepting the video feed or hijacking the drone. The system is highly resistant to mid-level EW, electronic warfare, and allows multiple drones to operate in the same area without interference. The Switchblade 600's airframe is built from high-impact composites designed to survive the extreme pressures of tube launching. AeroVironment utilized aerospace polymers that are both lightweight and rigid, ensuring the drone can remain in a sealed tube for years and be combat-ready in seconds. This all-in-one power made the Switchblade 600 a key player in the conflicts of 2022 to 2026. The Switchblade 600 has become a symbol of technological warfare, effectively taking out the most advanced tanks and air defense systems deep behind enemy lines. In real-world combat, the drone has proven to be a tool for high-priority targets. It has been used to destroy Tor and Panzer surface-to-air missile systems, as well as the latest T-90M tank modifications. Its compactness has allowed sabotage groups to carry the system across the front lines and attack objects previously considered unreachable by conventional artillery. Precision at a premium. However, this high efficiency comes with a massive price tag for every shot. The Switchblade 600 costs dozens of times more than standard FPV drones, making it a tool for surgical strikes rather than mass saturation. Cost factor: the price of a single unit is comparable to that of a luxury SUV. This limits its deployment. Operators receive strict instructions not to waste a 600 on infantry or low-value targets. Logistics are also more complex. Because of the integrated warhead, the drone requires special handling as a hazardous load, unlike modular systems that can be shipped in pieces. Replacing an airstrike, despite the cost, the ability to replace an entire airstrike with one precise hit justifies the expenditure. The Switchblade 600 has proven that the era of classic anti-tank missiles is fading. The future belongs to machines that can wait, search, and select their own targets. Strategic impact. The success of the 600 series has pushed other nations to develop their own equivalents. Future trajectory. By 2026, the development focus has shifted toward AI integration for fully autonomous operations without operator intervention and the creation of swarm systems. The Switchblade has set the bar. Today, an anti-tank weapon is no longer something that fires in a straight line, but something that lives above the battlefield. In a world where tanks are becoming increasingly protected, the winner is whoever attacks them from above with the smartest munition.